Blend. Adjustable curve blend. Quick, fast, and automatic with minimal input. Adjustable, manual, control with advanced options for fin tuning. This tool creates a smooth connection between two curves automatically. Just select the curves, and the software blends them instantly without showing any advanced settings. It's fast, easy, and perfect for quick tasks where you just need a smooth link. This one gives you full control. After selecting the curves, you get access to various options like adjusting curvature strength, direction, blend distance, and alignment. It's ideal when you need precision and want to control exactly how the blend behaves. Offset. Offset curve on surface. Offset creates a parallel curve in open space. Offset curve on surface creates a curve that lies on and follows the shape of a surface. This tool creates a duplicate curve at a fixed distance from the original one. The new curve stays in the same plane and shape, just shifted outward or inward based on the distance you set. For example, if you have a circle, using offset will give you a larger or smaller circle around it. A chamfer edge cuts the corner at an angle rather than rounding it, ideal for clean, technical, or industrial designs like prong bases or modern settings. A smooth edge creates a natural flow between surfaces, not too sharp, not fully rounded, great for organic or nature-inspired designs. A round edge or fillet softens the corner into a curved transition, perfect for comfort and everyday wear like wedding bands or earrings. A sharp edge means there's no rounding, just clean, defined angles. Use it when you want a bold, modern, or architectural look, like rings with square shapes or strong lines. Offset curve on surface. This tool also creates a duplicate, but the new curve is projected directly onto a surface. That means it conforms to the shape and curvature of that surface. It's perfect for when you want to draw or place designs that follow the flow of a 3D surface like ring tops, pendants, etc. In the Offset on Surface command, the default method offsets the curve by a fixed distance. But if you select the through point option, instead of entering a distance, you click on a point on the surface, and the software will automatically create an offset curve that passes through that exact point. Use case: when you need your offset curve to align with a specific point on the surface, perfect for fine adjustments or design precision. Spiral. Helix. Spiral, flat and 2D. Helix, 3D, and moves along a height axis. A spiral is a 2D curve that starts from a center point and winds outward in a flat circular pattern, like a snail shell or coiled rope. It's great for flat design details, decorative patterns, or engraving style elements. N, the spiral tool. One of the most powerful modes is around curve. Instead of wrapping around a straight axis like Z, the spiral wraps around any custom curve, even a 3D one. With this option, you can pick any curve as the path wavy, organic, or fully 3D. You define both the start and end points, so the spiral can stretch, twist, and form freely. The result is a more dynamic and customized spiral shape. Use it for creating twisted forms around a design, spiral ring shanks, or bold, sculptural earrings. A helix is a 3D curve that wraps around a central axis, like a spring or corkscrew. It's perfect for creating twisted structures, spiral shanks, or dynamic 3D forms. Sweep 1, Sweep 2, Loft. Sweep 1. 1 rail, simple and quick. Sweep 2, 2 rails, more control and precision. Sweep 1 rail. This command creates a 3D shape by sweeping one profile along a single path rail. Simple and fast for clean designs with consistent flow. Sweep 2 rails. This command needs 2 rails. The profile is swept between them, allowing more control and complex shape creation. Loft is a very useful tool that lets you create a surface between two or more curves. It connects the curves in space and generates a smooth or twisted surface between them, just like stretching a fabric between wires. Project Basic Ring. Twisted Yingi.